What is up, everyone? We are back with another video, and I have a sweater on because it's cold and this is like cozy time. So I figure I just got home from work, so you know, I'm a little barefaced, I'm a little in the raw. But yesterday I went here and I figure why not share with you what I got. So I got in the mail 3 coupons that I actually was able to use back to back. So I told myself, you know what? I'm not going to spend over $30, but I know exactly what I'm going in for, and I don't want to leave with anything more or less. So the 3 coupons, one was for a free hand moisturizer, one was for a $5 lotion, and the other one was 25% off your entire order. So with that, I got 3 candles, 3 of the big candles, one really good size hand lotion, and then a little, it's kind of like travel size hand moisturizer. So let's jump into the bag. So this is the hand moisturizer. I got the overnight moisture just because, you know, it's getting to that season of dry hands, and this weather is very, I don't know, my hands just get so dry and not too cute. So I got that for free. That's usually $4, which is kind of a lot for this little tube, but hopefully it's supposed to be 24-hour moisture, so we'll see. And the other one, I had such a hard time figuring out what lotion I wanted because, you know, they have some amazing smells. But sometimes the lotions, like if they're too fruity smelling, it kind of makes my stomach hurt because it's just too much, too overpowering. And so I ended up seeing this one. This is the, it looks like the Christmas edition or version or whatever. It's the Winterberry Wonder. And let's see, it smells so good. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but it has the Shea Moisture and Vitamin E 24-hour moisture body lotion, and this ended up being, I think, like $3.50 or something like that, $4, because again, it was 25% off my entire order. So instead of $5, which was what the coupon valued it for, it actually ended up being less than that. Now into the candles. Okay, so I got 3 candles, and usually they are $24.50. They were on sale for $12.50. On top of that, the 25% off coupon. So I initially went in to get my replacement candle that I had from last year. That is right here, and it's pretty much done. As you can see, it's like all the way to the bottom. And this one is pumpkin apple. It smells so good. So this is the packaging from last year. As you can see, a bunch of pumpkins and apples and all that good stuff. This year they had a couple different packages, but I just got this one. Is super simple, and I feel like I could actually take off this sticker and it will actually just show the candle by itself. It just smells so good. Like, it's not too fruity, it's not too cinnamony. What is described: red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, and clove buds. I don't know, it's just so hard to explain. It's like sweet, but it's also like very spicy, if that makes any sense. So that is my replacement to this one. Thankfully, I'm glad that they had it. And then I've seen sweater weather before, and I don't know if last year, I don't know. Some of the scents, I feel like I was just maybe not feeling it, but I ended up getting sweater weather this year, which is this one. And it is fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. And it's just like very light. It doesn't have any like super overpowering, like it just smells fresh, but it still kind of smells like, so hard to explain scents. How do you explain scents? It smells refreshing. Like, it smells clean, it smells fresh. So I think this is a good one for like maybe your bathroom or even your bedroom, I guess, if you want something more of like a fresh scent instead of like a cozy, warm scent. I feel like I would burn this like if I'm cleaning the house, and in a good way, because I love the smell of a clean house. Don't you? Okay, so the next one I got was Leaves, which is this one. And it's just a white candle. The other one is blue. it's supposed to smell like crisp red apples, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. And I love the smell of like cinnamon or that clove, the spices of like Christmas and like just that holiday spice smell. That's exactly what this smells like. It's another version, like it's reminds me of the pumpkin apple. It's just different. I feel like the pumpkin apple is a little bit more warm. It's a little bit more cozy. This one's a little bit more bright, like it still has like that spice and apple smell, but kind of something maybe you would burn like in the kitchen, like you're making an apple spice pie or something. It smells so good. So that is all I got from Bath and Body Works, and I just thought I would share with you guys. So those are the 3 candles, 2 pieces of lotion that I got. 2 lotions that I got. So I hope that was informative for you guys. I don't know, I just see people do these kind of hauls all the time, so I figure let's see if you guys like it. If you do, hit that like button. If you don't, hit the I don't like button. Either way, it's engagement for me, so thank you. And leave a comment on other videos you want me to do or other topics. As you guys know, I am doing a new series of why men do or do not, and I was actually thinking maybe I should do a woman version of that, why women do or do not. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd want to see. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.